I know that knives can be quite intimidating, and you're probably not aware that Westpac sells the most gorgeous range of knives. Today I'm going to debunk some of the myths around knives.
We all have that drawer full of knives and have absolutely no clue on what they are supposed to do. Well, I'm going to show you the essential knives you will need to get the most jobs done in the kitchen. At Westpac they have a fantastic selection of knives to choose from. So, which knife does what? Starting at number 1, and in my opinion the most important, the chef knife. These usually have a heavy blade and a light handle. The long edge is extremely sharp. This is going to be your number 1 go-to knife and is great to use for everything: chopping, dicing, finely mincing and more. This is your best friend in your knife kit selection. The next one is a large paring knife. It's absolutely wonderful for peeling vegetables and doing smaller jobs, whether it's peeling potatoes or apples. This also works fantastically for taking the core out of any vegetables or fruit. The paring knife is generally very sharp and easy to handle. Here we have a small paring knife, and this knife is excellent for smaller jobs like cutting the stalks off strawberries and cutting ends off garlic and thinly slicing them. For any small cutting job, this is the best knife to choose. The serrated knife, this of course, is perfect for 2 things: slicing bread and pastries. It always allows you to easily saw through breads and pastries without tearing or breaking it, giving you the perfect cut. I personally love these small Aqua knives. They are light and sharp. They come with a serrated edge and a smooth edge. Ensuring you use the right one for the right job is essential. As you can see here, the smooth edge does not cut a tomato well, while the serrated edge cuts through like butter. Keeping your knives safe and sharp is key, and by placing your knives in a knife holder, you will be saving yourself a lot of trouble in the long run. I love this knife holder because it is a good way to store and look after my kitchen knives. All the products you've seen are listed in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.